In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Safari on iPhone. Here's the key thing to know right up front. You don't update Safari separately on an iPhone. Safari is built into iOS, which means every time you update your iPhone software, Safari gets updated too. That includes new features, performance improvements, and the latest security fixes. You won't find a Safari update button in the App Store, and that's by design. To update Safari, you'll simply update your iPhone software. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. From there, tap General, then tap Software Update. Your iPhone will check for the latest iOS version that's available for your device. If you see an update ready to go, tap Download and Install. Follow the on-screen prompts, which may include entering your passcode and agreeing to terms. Your iPhone might say preparing update, then verifying, and finally it will install the update. The device may restart, which is completely normal. When the update completes, Safari is updated right along with the system. No extra steps needed. If the screen says your software is up to date, that means your version of Safari is already current for your device. Some features are tied to major iOS releases, so if you're on the latest version your iPhone supports, you're getting the most up-to-date Safari your hardware can run. A few tips can make this process smoother. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection, as updates can be large. Having enough battery is important too. Many iPhones require at least 50% charge or a charger connected to begin installation. It's also smart to have a bit of free storage, since iOS needs space to download and prepare the update. If the download seems to take a while, that's normal during busy release periods. Remember, there is no separate Safari app update button, and you can't update Safari through the App Store. All new Safari features, privacy protections, and security patches come through iOS updates. Keeping your iPhone updated ensures you're browsing the web with the latest protections and improvements. That's all there is to it. Open Settings, tap General, tap Software Update, and if an update is available, tap Download and Install. Once your iPhone finishes updating, Safari is up to date as well. Thanks for watching, and enjoy browsing with the latest Safari on your iPhone.